Tell me why.
Hey, what is up, guys? So today we are fishing down at the creek. We were only able to catch 3 fish, but we still had fun. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Love y'all. Peace.
You got one. Why you keep catching one? Because it's where like over there where tree casted at.
What's that? Show the camera again.
Oh man, he got him, but I ain't got him. Can you help me?
Let's go, son. Let's go.
Let
me see. You got him? Miguel got another one. Another creek chub.
Lip him. I think you can.
Oh, you can't.
Hey, because the mouth looks nice.
Daddy, I see it the same.
Yeah, look, show face.
It's way bigger.
Really? Creek chub. Keep going.
Did you put your weight much up? No, I just keep it the same.
Oh, why are you passing over there?
I didn't know.
You got one? Let's go.
Wait, what? Oh, I got the same one that you, Miguel.
That one's bigger.
Wait, let me see. Wait, this one is kind of golden at the back.
Yeah.
Oh man, he got a bigger one.
Look.
This one is a golden one at the back. There is some over there. Look, Trey, this is a different one.
I know, that one's pretty, man.
Oh my god.
Let me see. You got it?
This one is slimier.
I know, it's a little slimy.
I'm gonna let you catch this one. I'm gonna let you catch this one, Trey.
Let me see, show the camera. Pretty little chub. Throw him back in there.
I'm gonna let you catch it. This is.
Loose your hand. Loose your hand.
Help me.
Loose your hand. Loose your hand.
My grass.
Loose your hand. I got you. I got you, man. You're okay. You're not gonna go. Yeah. You're not gonna go anywhere. I promise. I got you, buddy. You're not gonna die on my watch. If you do, Mama, your mom is gonna kill my butt.
No, I was scared of wolves.
I know, you were scared you're gonna fall in there. It's okay. Yeah, she probably won't let me take you guys fishing ever again. I'll get your fishing rod. Hold on. Good job, buddy.
I'm gonna wash my hands straight.
No, leave him. Okay.
When you get home, put your clothes in.
Go over there. Go somewhere over there, further down the river, where you can sit down and wash your hands. Huh?
It's a different fish.
Let me see.
He finally
He didn't get anything. He fell. His tail was orange though. He was like silver and it was orange tail.
Oh, that's cool.
He fell.
different species.
It kind of looked like this one, but he was round.
You have to put a new weight, new hook, new worm. Okay? Yeah. Did you get one? Let's go, son. Let's go. Another creek chub. Another creek chub.
Let's see if I can lip them.
I doubt it, buddy. Oh, yeah, you can. Look at that.
Yeah,
Little creek
that's what I
chub.
thought. That's what I thought.
There's the 4th, 5th creek chub of today. Really?
Yeah.
We haven't caught any other ones we put in here, you guys. We put at least 15 bluegill
He caught a round one.
in here, but who knows where they're at.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, there's a fish over there, Miguel. Oliver. There's a fish over there somewhere. Let's go. Look. Oh, look, Miguel. I caught one of the ones we threw in here. I like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Miguel caught. It looked like that kind of, but his tail was very orange.
Thank you for buying, Lobe. Little guy.
What he calls
He's caught a little bluegill, a little sunfish.
the sunfish.
Mhm.
He's done.
Mhm.
Why it tastes like
He's so
scary.
slimy, huh?
He tastes like slimy on the bottom, scaly on the
Yeah,
top.
let's throw him back in there.
Okay, Joey. Whoa,
go.
that's a big jump.
On a worm, you guys. Right here, they really like worms. Nothing else. No dough bait, just worms.
Don't wait, this one. No! Let's go. You can't move the bait. It's a worm. And then look, I got the fish. I told you. If you do some magic tricks on your bait, like worm, well, you can't move the bait. No. Like the worm you can.
A woman named Jochebed had a baby boy. She wanted to save him, so she gently laid her baby inside a basket and placed him in a river. The baby started to cry. Pharaoh's daughter saw the basket and opened it. She gently picked up the baby and hugged him. "I want to keep you," the princess whispered. She named him Moses because she pulled him out the water.